What is research method? Let us briefly define this term before we delve into the meaning, nature, and dynamics of quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method in research. And so, a research method is the logic of how a scholar arrives at a valid and reliable knowledge. It is a direct product of reason and is the intellectual and rational basis of scientific certitude. In other words, a research method is the strategy employed in the collection of data or evidence for analysis to uncover new information or arrive at a better understanding of a particular topic. As a strategy, it involves specific procedures in collecting and analyzing data. This explains why developing a research method is an integral part of one's research design. Without it, therefore, the researcher can hardly proceed with a collection of data, even if she has a well-defined research problem. It is important to note that the procedure in research is subsumed under method. Hence, the term procedure is not synonymous with method. Procedure, as we can see, is a series of steps undertaken to carry out the demands of a method. Thus, the formulation of the research plan, data gathering, authentication of documents, review of related literature, content analysis, statistical treatment, and similar concerns of researchers are items of procedure undertaken for the purpose of attaining the aims of the method. Indeed, the type of method determines the type of procedures to follow in research. That is why the procedure is indicated under method in order to show that it is a subsidiary. Hence, a procedure must be logically derived from a method. Now, because method is a logic, it is aimed at discovering meaning or significance. A simple rule to remember regarding meaning or significance in the context of research is that meaning is understood as relatedness or connectedness, whether it is in the category of cognition, that is knowledge, affection, that is feeling and attitude, or operation, that is action and performance. It is also important to note that the discovery of meaning begins with making a question. And as we can see, meaning is an answer. It does not come unless one asks a question. And in research, the question is called the statement of the problem. 3 things, therefore, are essential in research, namely, first, the problem, second, the method of answering the problem, and third, the answer to the problem. Every scholarly work, therefore, either short or long, has these 3 explicitly or implicitly. In formal scholarly writing, such as in theses and dissertations, these 3 are explicitly stated. Now, as we can see, a research method refers to the tools that one uses in doing research. And as we already know, it can either be qualitative, quantitative, or mixed method. In our other videos, we will be discussing very briefly their meaning, nature, and dynamics.